Hey parents and college-bound kids, wouldn't you like to make a more sound financial decision and skip the dorm life? Well, buckle in, I've got some news for you about Kiddie condos. Imagine owning a home, a single-family home, a condo, or even multifamily while you're in college instead of paying rent or dorm fees while you're in your college life. That is what the power of a Kiddie condo loan can do for you. So how does it work? You, the parent or the co-borrower, can be a non-occupant and add your income and credit history to somebody that may not have all the income requirements for a loan in order to qualify for that loan. Plus, no more dorm restrictions, more freedom, more comfort. Win-win. And so now you can rent out the other rooms or other dwelling units so you can offset the cost of ownership or even make some income. Now you're house hacking. Once you're done learning, you've got a couple of options. You can either keep it as a rental or you can cash out and sell it. Stay smart, and when you're thinking about making financial moves like this, always consider reaching out to a financial expert that can help you house hack appropriately. So now your child is building equity and has a place to live near campus. It's like hitting two birds with one stone.